Alright, this is the first drive with the, I'm just going to call them 2017 control arms. We're basically checking here if all the clunking is gone, if the steering track's straight, all that good stuff. So far so good. I do know, yeah, the clunking's definitely gone. I do notice the steering again is a little bit even more tighter compared to just having prior to this video, which basically would have been new upper control arms and then the original 07 part number lower control arms. So yeah, everything's still good. It's tracking totally straight. There's a crown on the road, obviously, that's causing it to be a little weird, but let's see if we can do this here. So I'll go in the center of the road. Definitely do not need an alignment because everything's fine. You didn't adjust the tie rods at all, so you don't have to worry about anything. Yeah, so we're looking good here. There still is a little, I don't want to say clunk, but maybe strut or suspension noise. It's a little bit rougher road. I mean, honestly, that could just be tires and the front air suspension, which also was replaced, I want to say, about 60,000 miles ago. So yeah, they're not, the front struts are not leaking oil. They don't air down over time or overnight. So anything I'm hearing now is just normal suspension noise, because honestly this thing can't be like a magic carpet. I mean, there's some noise you're going to pick up from bumps and ruts in the road, but if you hit the brakes, there's no clunking, there's no control arm clunking when you get on the brakes, as the TSB mentioned. And really, like if you go slow speed and kind of hit the gas, there's no clunk from the control arm moving around, and the worst of the noise is gone that was present at just low speed driving over bumps and everything. So very good upgrade. There'll be part numbers and everything in the video, but for the most part I don't think I could be any happier with the result of this. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, obviously just comment, I'll respond. But everything, it feels like a brand new car again, and success. So thanks for watching. Bye.